Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 and then click on view all lessons. Andreja, can you please stop writing, doing messages again? I can see your messages. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter subtraction 2 digits, and the lessons we're going to cover from the chapter are subtraction word problems up to 2 digits, complete the subtraction sentence up to 2 digits, write the subtraction sentence up to 2 digits, and balance subtraction equations up to 2 digits. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is subtraction word problems up to 2 digits. Okay, so let's just start with the first example. Sanjay is a superhero. Last week he rescued a total of 59 people from danger. If Sanjay rescued 6 children, how many adults did he rescue? So that means in total he rescued 59 people, right? Out of 59, 6 of them were children. So you need to see how many of them were adults, right? How do you see? So basically you have to subtract 6 out of 59, right? You need to do 59 minus 6. You can use any method. Either you can count back, start from 59 and count 6 back, right? So that would be 53. That means out of 59, 6 of them are children's and 53 of them were adults, right? Let's just start with the test question. Simon has no flowers in his backyard. So he decided to plant a total of 44 roses and daisies. Simon plants 4 daisies. How many roses did Simon plant? So which is the correct option? So which is the correct option? The total plants were 44, right? Out of 44, 4 were daisies. You need to see how many of them were roses. So basically you need to do 44 minus 40, right? So sorry, 44 minus 4. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 44 minus 4, right? So the correct option is 40. That means out of 44, 40 of them were roses, right? Only 4 of them were daisies and 40 were roses. Got it? So the correct option is 40. Okay, the next one is Roni and Tanner jumped on the couch a combined total of 81 times. Then the couch broke and they both got in big trouble. If Roni jumped on the couch 6 times, how many times Tanner jumped on it? So, which is the correct option? Basically, the total they jumped is 81, right? Six, if Rooney jumped six times, so you need to calculate how many times Tanner jumped. So, how do you calculate? You have to do 81 minus 6, right? So, 81 minus 6 equals, which is the correct option. Start with 81 and count back 6. So, you have to do 81 minus 6, right? You can count back 6, that is 80, 79, 78, 76, and 75, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you count back 6, you correct end up on 75, right? That means the correct option is 75. Okay, the next one is Brain held a garage sale and sold a combined total of 80 toys and books. He sold 7 toys. How many books did he sell? Which is the correct option? The total books and toys were 80. Now you're given the toys, 7 of them were toys. So how many of them were books? So basically you have to do 80 minus 7. So 80 minus 7 equals, start with 80 and count back 7. So you end up on 73 it is, right? That means 73 of of them were books, right? 7 of them are toys and 73 of them were books. There were a total of 46 tadpoles in a pond. One afternoon, Maria caught 4 tadpoles from the pond and took them home. How many tadpoles were left in the pond? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 46 minus 4, right? Because the total were 46. So, you have to do 46 minus 4. So, start with 46, count back 4. So, you end up on, very good, that is 42. So, 76 minus 4 is 42. The correct option is 42. Ernesto's father bought 10 tomato plants. He planted 6 of the tomato plants in the front garden and the rest in the back garden. How many tomato plants did he plant in the back garden? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 6 of them were planted in the front garden. You have to calculate the one that were planted in the back garden, right? So, you have to do 10 minus 6. So, 10 minus 6 equals, very good. The correct option is 10 minus 6, and 10 minus 6 equals 4. The correct option is count. Start with 10, count back 6, so you end up on 4. Okay, Mrs. Moreno got a box of chocolate for Valentine's Day. There are 15 pieces of chocolate in the box. 2 pieces are milk chocolate and the rest are dark chocolate. How many of the pieces are dark chocolate? So the correct option is start with 15 and count back 2, so you end up on, yes, that is 13. That means 13 of them were the dark chocolates, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is complete the subtraction sentences up to 2 digits. So let's just start with the test question. Okay, so find the missing number. 14 take away missing number equals 0. So which is the correct option? Yes, subtracting a number from itself makes 0, right? So it would be 14 take away 14 equals 0 because subtracting a number from itself makes 0. Got it? Okay, the next one is fill in the missing number. The missing number minus 13 equals 4. So which number is missing? So you can do the question two ways, right? We already learned these two ways. Either you put options one by one and see which is the correct option. So if you start putting the options, start with 15, 15 minus 13 equals 4. No, that would be the false one. Then 16 minus 13 equals 4. No, that is again false. Then the last one is 17 minus 13 equals 4. So yes, that would be the correct option. The correct option is 17 minus 13 equals 4. The other way you can do is, like you can see, you have the missing number minus 13 equal 4, right? So you have to remove that negative 13 here. So just do the reverse operations, add 13 both sides. So that means 13 minus 13 is 0. You are left with 13 plus 4, that equals 17. So the missing number is 17. Got it? These are the two ways you can do. We already learned these two methods, right? The correct option is 17. Okay, fill in the missing number. Okay, which option is the correct one? Start by checking the options, right? The first one is 17. 17 minus 17 is 0, not 1, right? So 17 is not the correct option. Then 18 minus 17. You cannot subtract a smaller number out of the greater one, right? Then the next one is, okay, 18 minus 17. The second one is 18 minus 17. Yes, so 18 minus 17 equals 1. The correct option is 18 minus 17. Okay, fill in the missing number. So which is the correct option? Missing number minus 2 equals, minus 2 equals 12, right? Okay, let's just see which number is missing. So you have the missing number minus 15 equals 2, right? So just add 15 both sides because you have to remove that 15 from here. So it will be 2 plus 15, right? So 15 minus 15 is 0. So 2 plus 15 is 17. So the correct option is 17. Got it? That means the missing number is 17. So it's your choice with which method you're going to use, right? Okay, the next one is fill in the missing number. 16 minus missing number equals 5. So which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 16 minus, very good, 11 equals 15. The correct option is 16 minus 11 equals 5. The next one is fill in the missing number. Which number is missing? Missing number minus 12 equals 3. Which is the correct option? So which is the correct option? The correct option is, yes, that would be 15 minus 13 equals 3. The correct option is 15. Very good. 15 minus 12 equals 3. Very good. Okay, fill in the missing number. 16 minus missing number equals 1. So which number is missing? Very good. The correct option is 16 minus, yes, that is 15. 16 minus 15 equals 1. Fill in the missing number. 15 minus the missing number equals 4. So which number is missing? The correct option is 15 minus, yes, it is 15 minus 11 equals 4. So option number 1 is the correct option, right? 18 minus missing number is 1. So which is the correct option? Which number is missing? Very good. The correct option is 18 minus 17 equals 1. The correct option is 17. Right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is Write the subtraction sentences up to two digits. Okay, so you are given with the word problems. You just have to read, understand, and write the subtraction sentences, right? Okay, so let's just start with the first example. Ballet's dog Lucky used to weigh 58 kilograms. Now he weighs 60 kilograms. How much did Lucy gain? Write a subtraction sentence that fits the story. So which is the correct option? Which is the best subtraction sentence? So the correct option is, just look at the numbers involved in the word problem. They are 60 and 58. So the correct option is 60 minus 58 equals 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is, Halle is working on some math homework that is due tomorrow. Yesterday she completed 72 problems. There are 76 problems altogether. How many problems does Halle have left to finish today? So the numbers involved are 76 and 72. So they are 76 minus 72 equals 4. The correct option is 76 minus 72 equals 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. Hello everyone, can you hear me? Okay, the next one is, it usually takes Jackie 20 minutes to get home from school. Today it was raining, so it took her 51 minutes to get home. How much longer did it take Jackie to get home from school today? So which is the correct option? So which is the correct option? You have the numbers involved are 51 and 20, right? So 51 minus 20 equals, yes, the correct option is 31. So that means 31 minutes longer today, right? It takes 31 minutes longer today. Got it? Okay, the next one is, Veera and her friends collected 71 shells at the beach. 56, 56 of the shells were whole, but the rest were broken. How many of the shells were broken? You need to calculate the broken shells. The total shells were 76, 71, and 56 were whole. So, which is the correct option? So, the correct option is yes, that is 71 minus 56 equals 15. That means 15 of the shells were broken. The correct option is the second one, 71 minus 56, that equals 15. Clayton and Sandra jumped on the couch combined total of 73 times. Then the couch broke. They both got in big trouble. If Clayton jumped on couch 33 times, how many times did Sandra jump on it? So which is the correct option? So so they total jumped 73 times, right? You need to see 33 times Clayton jumped. You need to see how many times Sandra jumped. So which is the correct option? The correct option is option number 1. That is 73 minus 33, that equals 40. So the correct option is option number 1. Okay, the next one is Shireen is a school janitor. Last week she picked up a total of 60 pieces of trash. If she picked up 34 pieces of trash in the classroom, how many pieces of trash did Shireen pick up outside the classroom? So which is the correct option? The correct option is 60 minus 34, right? So the correct option is yes, it is 26. The last option is the correct one. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is the last lesson of the chapter, that is balance subtraction equations up to two digits. So we already worked on balance equations. So how do we balance equation? Balance equation means the both sides of the equality must have same answer, right? Just look at the first example. Okay, 18 minus 11 equals 17 minus the missing number, right? So balance means both sides of the equality must have same answers. For example, when you subtract 18 minus 11, right, the correct option is 7. So this side must have the same answer, right? So you are given three of the options. Either you can put the options, or for example, start with the first option, 17 minus 10. So 17 minus 10 equals 7. That means 10 is the number, 10 is the correct option that makes the equation balance. Balance means both sides of the equation is then, they have the same answer then, right? So the correct option is 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, the next one is which number makes the equation true? 16 minus 15 equals 18 minus the missing number. So first of all, you have to solve the side where you have given both the numbers, right? So just do 16 minus 15. So 16 minus 15 is 1. Now on the other side, you have 16 minus the missing number. You need to find the number that when you subtract from 18, the answer must be 1. Which number when you subtract from 18, the answer is 1? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 18 minus 17. When you subtract 17 from 18, you have the answer 1. That means the correct option is 17 is the number that can keep this equation balanced. Got it? So the correct option is 17. Which number makes the equation true? 12 minus 12 is 0. So which number subtracted from 15 is 0? Very good. 12 minus 12 is 0. And the 15 minus 15 is 0. Right? So the correct option is 15. 15 minus 15 is 0. Which number makes the equation true? 14 minus 11 equals 16 minus the missing number. So which is the correct option? Fourteen minus 11 equals 3, right? So 16 minus what number equals 3? Yes, very good. That is 13. The correct option is 13. 13 is the number that can keep both the equations balanced. Sixteen minus 11 equals missing number minus 13, which is the correct option? Very good. The correct option is 18 minus 13, right? Because 16 minus 11 is 5. So 18 minus 13 is 5. The correct option is 18. Okay, which number makes the equation true? 18 minus 16 equals 17 minus the missing number. So which is the correct option? So 18 minus 16 is, the correct option is 17 minus 15 is the correct option. The correct option is 15 because 18 minus 16 is 2, right? And 17 minus 15 is 2. Okay, 18 minus the missing number equals 14 minus 10. So which is the correct option? Which number is missing? 14 minus 10 is 4, right? So then 18 minus which number equals 4? 18 minus 14 is 4. The correct option is 14. Okay, 18 minus 12 equal 17 minus missing number equals 18 minus 12. Which is the correct option? 18 minus 12 equals 6, right? So on the other side, you need the number that when subtracted from 17, the answer is 6. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 17 minus 11, right? So 11 is the number that can makes the equation true. Got it? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 2 math. The chapter we were working on is subtraction 2 digits, and the lessons we have covered today are subtraction, word problems up to 2 digits, complete the subtraction sentence up to 2 digits, write the subtraction equations up to 2 digits, and balance subtraction equations up to 2 digits, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. Got it? So if you have any question, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So please ask question if you have any. No questions? Andreja, what's wrong with you? What type of messages you're writing here? I'm going to screenshot them and then send them to administrator. They will show these messages to your parents. You are here to learn. So just focus on learning. I'm going to send the screenshot to the administrator. Don't worry, they will call your parents today so that they can know what you are going to do, what you do here. You haven't answered any single question. Just keep on sending. See you in the next session. Bye.